Scheduling tools and calendar. The scheduling calendar in IonPoolCare is dynamically built. This is important because in IonPoolCare, you can create tasks from anywhere, from multiple workstations, from your mobile client, and as a manager, you want to make sure that you know about all tasks. The only way to do that is to build the schedule calendar every time it is accessed. The calendar is built as an assembly of technician links. We see that tasks are assigned to a technician. We also see that there is a total number of tasks and a completed number of tasks. We group tasks by technician name. When we drill down to the tasks, we'll see all of the details about the task assigned for this technician. We are logging the estimated time in the mobile client. We are tracking the actual time to measure the technician performance. Above the calendar, we have filtering and navigation options. We can limit the task on the calendar to the task assigned to a specific technician or a specific service type. If a technician calls in sick, we can quickly reassign the task from one technician to another as a temporary reassignment. Let's go back to the schedule calendar and drill down to a specific technician's day. We see that he has completed tasks, is working on this one here in yellow, and has more tasks to complete after that. We can see other details about his tasks, such as the customer sequence, some customer details, the route name, estimated time, and the service level. If the technician can't log the data, there is a route sheet and a route log. These are hard copies that the tech can use to log the data. Maybe he or she can't log the data because they are having issues with their phone or there is no service in the area. For whatever reason, you can still have it logged. They can bring the data in and the administrator can update the logs using those log links. The Route Map button allows you to map this customer location. If you want to mark it to the customers in this area, you can click on the Route Map button. It will bring up Google Maps and you can change the map into a hybrid view to see all the other pools in that area. Now you can target these other customers with literature. The Print Work Order button will print all the repair work orders. This is the detailed instructions and/or hard copies. The Pick List button will allow you to print the parts needed for those work orders. Let's go to the mobile client to see how a task looks there and how to move that task through the process. We're going to this task started. He can document inventory, parts used, what reading and services were performed, and add notes. The technician can click stop to complete the job. The information for that job is logged. Going back to the schedule calendar on the desktop and looking at the technician's tasks, you can see that he now has tasks completed. So the calendar in IonPoolCare is dynamically built. And as a service manager, you can drill down to see what is going on with your customers with just a few clicks of your mouse. How do these tasks get created on the calendar? Go to the Customers tab. Under this tab is a Task tab. Here you can add recurring tasks. There is a task start. If there is no task completion, IonPoolCare will perpetually reschedule that task every week. So in IonPoolCare, you can create the task one time and it shows up on the technician's calendar every single week. That is recurring tasks for weekly services, quarterly services, etc. Well, what about repairs? Under the Work Orders tab, there's an Add Work Order button. Adding a work order will allow you to select the items from your QuickBooks file. Send work order instructions to the technician and send an estimate to the homeowner. Once the homeowner accepts that estimate, that work can be automatically rescheduled on the schedule calendar. And the technician, when they complete the work order, falls off the schedule. There is no rescheduling of that work. So that's how work gets assigned on the schedule calendar. Once you go to the calendar, you can see that you can navigate to the different technicians' work, and as a manager, you can see work for all technicians. A technician can only see the work assigned to him or her. That is a scheduled calendar in IonPoolCare software.